Hi, this video is about smoking and a few of the chemicals contained within smoke and their effects on the body. So obviously there are hundreds of chemicals in cigarette smoke, but the ones we're going to talk about here, the kind of ones you need to remember, are carbon monoxide, nicotine and tar. So carbon monoxide, first of all, is an odorless, colourless gas. When you inhale it, it bonds with your red blood cells, much as the way oxygen should. But what carbon monoxide does is it bonds, but it doesn't let go. So it locks up, ties up that red blood cell. Pretty bad news for the red blood cell, pretty bad news for your circulation. Nicotine is in and of itself a highly toxic chemical, but what it's doing in terms of cigarette smoking is it's increasing your likelihood of becoming addicted. So it means if once you're taking in too much nicotine, you're likely to smoke more and suffer the ill effects of tar more. Now, so on to tar. Tar is the kind of thick, sticky substance that gets into your lungs and kind of reduces the lung's surface area. So that reduces your capacity to take on oxygen and exchange gases, and it's also a nasty irritant that can be carcinogenic, so it can be the cause of cancer. And that, over time, if you're a heavy smoker or for a long time, it will just cumulatively build up. You can't clean it out as fast as it's coming in. That's bad news. Finally, if you're pregnant, then some of these chemicals in your bloodstream can affect the fetus, resulting in a higher risk of miscarriage and a higher possibility of low birth weight, both of which are pretty harmful for the fetus. So all in all, best avoided. Thanks very much.